famous. Hi, this is my Boy Scout Patrol cook set. You've probably all seen this one. It's one that's just everywhere, and you might have thought it's not really the best cook set, but I actually find it to be pretty useful once you've done a few mods, which I'm about to show you. In its original form, the handle is really a pain. It's not a very good handle, and it doesn't lock the set very well, and it catches on your pack. And so I got rid of it, and that's the main hack that I've done with this set. So I'll just get rid of the adjustable Ranger band and show you what's in here. So this is, of course, a bowl, and it functions perfectly as a bowl. And I've included in here the MSR spatula because the whole point of this set is that you can fry. You have the little fry pan, and that's probably why you'd buy this. And this is a great little folding spatula, like most MSR stuff. Very good. And you can actually fit quite a bit more in here than I have in here. I usually put some tea and sugar and so forth, but that's the sponge from my washing up kit. And then there's the lid for the pot. And inside here, I've got my dishwashing liquid and my stove, which is the trusty Soto Amicus, and I've got some salt and pepper from GSI, the base for my stove for the canister, and then what makes the whole set tick is this MSR pot grabber. So what I've done is I've removed the bail from the pot, and I've obviously removed the handle from the pan. So essentially what you have here is an excellent little fry pan with the copper bottom. If you get the stainless steel version of this, avoid the aluminium one. And that's going to really just make life easy. You can quite happily fry up with that and use that pot grabber. And with the actual pot itself, without the bail was also extremely useless, out of balance, very unlikely to be successful doing anything. Whereas now it's actually a pretty functional little pot. You can pop it on your stove and then pop your lid on, and away you go. No problems at all. And I just think that it's really actually pretty useful. And when I combine this with my regular cook set, I pretty much have everything I need, because sometimes you really do want to just do a bit of a fry up. And I'll probably take this out and do a little bit of a fry up with it. So just a quick little video just to show you the classic Boy Scout Patrol set and what I've done with it. And if you like any of these ideas, please support my channel, like and subscribe if you actually do like my content. And thanks for watching.